Should you get a Belgian Malinois? As a dog trainer who actually owns two and has worked with more than I can count, I get asked this all the time. And look, they are breathtaking dogs. They're absolutely phenomenal. But before you go diving into the Malinois lifestyle head first, just because you saw one absolutely nail a bite suit on TikTok, we need to chat. Because while they are capable, and probably the most capable working dogs on the planet, sorry German Shepherd, capable doesn't always mean suitable. Let's start with the big one, intelligence.
Hey guys, just a very quick one from Ranger and I just need 30 seconds of your time. Firstly, I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone that has watched our videos over the last 6 months. The channel has grown exponentially to the point that YouTube are actually now paying us. So every time you watch one of our videos, YouTube pays us money, which is great. But we don't want that money. We don't want that money. We didn't sign up for the money. We signed up to make great dog training content. So what we're going to do is we're going to give every single penny of that money away to charity each and every month. And we'll post on a wall which charity the money goes to on any particular month. So if you do have any recommendations for great charities that are doing great work with dogs, of course, then let us know in the comments and we will make sure that the money that YouTube is giving us is going to the right places. And the second thing I wanted to say is still 75% of you that regularly watch this channel have still not yet subscribed. So do me a favor so we can make more money for dogs that need it and also allow this channel to grow with more exposure so we can have better guests on, we can make you better videos. If you do me the favor of subscribing to this channel, I will promise you I will work tirelessly and Ranger will work tirelessly to bring you the best dog training content possible for free. Thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts and enjoy the rest of the video.
People think smart dogs are easy. They're not. They're easy to teach, yes, but also easy to create problems with. These dogs don't just learn sit and stay faster than most. They also learn to open doors, to raid bins, counter surf, and manipulate routines like four-legged con artists. So if you don't stay one step ahead, you'll wake up one day and realize that you're the one being trained. Trust me, I've been there. Next up, the drive. Their capacity to work is absolutely off the charts, but it's not just physical. These dogs need mental stimulation daily. I'm not talking a 30-minute walk and a game of fetch. I'm talking structure, scent work, problem solving, obedience, under pressure, the whole shebang. And if you miss that window too many days in a row, you'll see it barking, lunging, pacing, biting the lead, and behaviors that make you wonder if you've brought home a land shark on Red Bull. These dogs weren't bred to chill. They were bred to chase, bite, perform, hunt down terrorists. Next up, here's a very common trap. I'm active. I do CrossFit. I run. I could handle a Malinois. No, you can't. Being fit doesn't prepare you for a dog that needs a job every single day, has a nervous system like a coiled spring, and could dismantle your skirting boards if left understimulated. You don't need a Navy SEAL dog just because you've got a gym membership. Here's the question I want you to ask. Does your life suit a dog that was literally engineered to run towards gunfire, dominate protection trials, bites on command, and also let go on command? If you don't have the structure, the time, and the experience to support that kind of dog, it's not just a poor fit, it's genuinely unfair on the dog. Rescue centers are full of Belgian Malinois, not because they're bad dogs, they're not, but because humans made bad choices. Impulse purchases, social media trends, ego-driven decisions, and the dogs are the ones who pay for it. Like I said before, you don't need a Malinois to appreciate the Malinois. Love them, admire them, train them if you're ready, but don't mistake potential for suitability. But hey, if you do already have a Malinois and you're sat there thinking, oh my God, what have I done? Don't panic. Not all is lost. With the right structure, fulfillment, boundaries, these dogs can be absolutely legendary. That's exactly why I put together the Behavior Bible, a free guide packed with the foundations every high drive dog needs. You can download it using the link in the description below. And if you're on the fence about what type of dog is right for you, or you've already got a high drive dog and you feel over your head, then you probably want to check out this video right here. I'll walk you through the biggest mistakes people make with working breeds and how to fix them before things spiral.